The Ronda de la Alcazaba is part of what was known as the Puerta de Carmona, one of the three entrances to the Islamic Alcazar, which later became the palace of the Dukes of Arcos. It is located to the right of a powerful polygonal tower or tower of gold, a clearly Islamic characteristic. The Carmona gate communicated directly with the Alcazar. Its entrance arch must have been a horseshoe arch. It could be one of the most primitive gates in the enclosure. This tower had a double function, defense and reinforcement, at the end where the main fence joins that of the Alcazar, hence its greater height and special polygonal configuration. Its shape comes from the construction technique itself, rectangular boxes of rammed earth arranged in such a way as to form a more or less rounded tower, which dominates all directions. As a result, its upper chamber makes it a privileged watchtower. It could be accessed from the walkway along the general wall. Later, it was necessary to add a larger opening, and a reform was carried out, possibly in the 18th century. In the same enclosure there is a lookout, a former Almohad tower, from which a panoramic view of Marchena and the countryside can be obtained. Nowadays, the restoration of this area has turned it into a tourist promenade or rest area, of great beauty, next to sections of the wall that surrounded and protected the Islamic Alcazaba.